What do you guys think we can make with these pieces? Let's put them together and find out. Cool! It's a pizza! Now, we need toppings. Let's see what's in our yellow egg. It's pepperoni. Let's see what's in our green egg. It's onions. Now our orange egg. Dried tomatoes. Let's see what's in our pink egg. It's pineapple. Let's see what's in our blue egg. It's black olives. Now our last egg, our purple egg. It's yummy broccoli. Awesome! Look at our yummy pizza. Now let's cut it. Now we'll put our pizza in the oven. Nice and warm. Yummy. Look what we have here. It's Puppy's playhouse. Aw, Puppy's so cute. And there's so many things for him to do. He can slide down the slide. Whoa! So much fun. And he can spin the tree. Plus, there's holes to put shapes in. Here's a yellow star. A blue triangle. Red circle. Purple square. Now, let's ring the doorbell. Whoa! It's building blocks. Let's see what we can build with these building blocks. It's a fire truck.
Funnest toys.